everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate NatWest Debit Card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To activate your NatWest Debit Card online, you'll first need to log into your NatWest website. Go ahead and open up a web browser. In the URL box, type in www.natwest.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you're inside the main home page, go ahead and log into your online account. Click the login button at the top right hand corner and enter your customer number or your card number and click on the continue button. After you are logged into your account, select the account admin option from the online banking menu and click on activate debit card. Enter the debit card information in the text boxes in order to finish off the activation. That is how you can easily activate your NatWest debit card online. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.